Okay, how to add a default transition, keyboard shortcut transition, I mean. So if you click the entire clip and go Command T, it will add a transition to the beginning and the end of the specific clip. But if you click the center point of the cut, and you have to make sure there are handles, you click Command T, it will create a cross dissolve. And to create a default cross dissolve, you can control, right click, your specific dissolve that you want to use. So right now the default is cross dissolve. So if you want to change that to default to blur, you can set as a standard transition. So now when you click the center point and Command T, it will blur transition. And you can also make favorites. So you create a few favorites here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have your favorites section down here, and you have all of your 4 favorite transitions. To remove the favorites, you can see there's just stars here, so you just click the stars and it removes from your favorites, and you can see your favorites toolbox. When you click the last star, it disappears because I have no favorites in here anymore.